right, everyone. It is free day. Getting the screen share going. You guys should be able to see. Still getting set up here. All right. So yeah, it's free day. Welcome your free members. We also have my mic. There we go. All right. So yeah, welcome to free day members. And yeah, let's lock in. Let's get into it. Let's show them how it's done. We start here. We don't have any earnings to look at today, which is good. But as far as news, we have a petroleum status report here at 10:30. So I will be paying attention to that when that comes around. As far as NQ, we're here making highs here. Just going strong. Really would like to see us hold above 24,000. That could show some type of continuation to the upside. That would be great. As far as NQ or SPY, I mean, we're looking strong as well here. 642 is going to be my support area here on SPY. And I'm really watching to see if we can get above 645. That'd be interesting. Looking at the charts. Apple here does look good at this 231 area. This looks like it's ready to break out up to 232. This looks like a continuation flag above this consolidation that we've been in for a while. We finally broke out. This looks like we're flagging to have continuation. That looks really good here on Apple. AMD is very strong pre-market. This is up the most pre-market besides BABA for me. And yeah, that 180.50 area is my resistance here. We're right here. And if that breaks, I have room up to 182. So AMD does look good. Let's keep going. BABA's going crazy too. Holy moly. Yeah, it just has a gap here. Yeah, so we've initiated the gap. Yeah, it'll be interesting to see what BABA does. This will be a side watch for me. I'm not really too crazy about that, but that does look good. See, coin's not doing anything. Google looks like it's trying to make new highs. I personally want Google to set up. I'm not interested in just trading a little scalp there on Google. Hoods far. Meta looks similar to Apple in a way. It looks like, or this would just be a continuation play for Meta here. I would probably look at either 793 or that high, probably closer to that high. Alert would probably be around 793.50. Target would be 795 though. So yeah, that's how I'll do Meta. Nvidia here. If Nvidia showed strength at yesterday's high, I would probably take a look at that around 184.50. We'll just have to see. See Tesla here is looking strong as well. Or not super strong, but if this shows momentum back in the 346, I'll be all over Tesla. So today we got Tesla at 346. Nvidia at that high yesterday. if Meta comes around here at 793.50, and then potentially Apple or AMD at 181. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at today. And we'll hopefully be able to narrow it down. Apple and AMD are more side watches for me. Um, but yeah, we'll be back here in about 20 minutes and go over what's the closest, guys. We'll be back. Yo.
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 What's like your top two today, Frank?
My top two?
Kind of like, there's a lot of stuff that's.
I got top four. I don't know about top two.
I'm trying to get you to narrow it down, you know?
That's a little tough, bro, and a lot of setups look good. All right, I can give you top three, not top four.
Alright.
Apple at 231. That's a side watch, but it's Apple and it's broken out of the range, so it could be smooth.
It's like flagging after that consolidation break, right?
Maybe Nvidia. The problem with Nvidia that it is behind the market, with the market making all-time highs, and Nvidia is really behind. So that's the only red flag I see on Nvidia, but it has a good setup at 184, and then Meta at that
You would
all-time
try.
high at 794ish, around that
Yeah,
high it made.
I like that on Meta. For Nvidia, would you wait for the high it made yesterday or retry?
I'm trying it strictly at around like 70 to 80 cents.
So before 184 though, not like
Yeah,
after.
correct.
Okay. And yeah, Apple does look good. You don't like that 180.50 level on AMD? That's like a clean flat.
No, it's broken everything I've had. Personally, don't like it. I have a level at 180.65, which lines up with what you guys are looking at, but
Yeah, and then the 1 hour gives us from like 182 on that.
¿Qué lo qué?
yo, Mr.
Yo,
G, let me put some
George.
yo, what's up, George? Mr. G, let me put some perspective on you, right? If I have stocks that we look at every single day in the chat that are consistent and consistently pay out, why would I look at AVGO? Right? Now, if it's a day where it's super dry and it's slow and there's no setups, maybe I'll be a little flexible and look at a stock like AVGO. That's not me being mean to you. That's just me telling you the truth. Like, there's no reason for me to look at that stock if I have the top four stocks that we look at every single day in the chat that pay us the most and that are consistent that have setups. That's the way you got to look at it. Just to give you a little bit of perspective and kind of like open your mind up more to like kind of avoid those stocks.
Yeah, your goal should be to grow your account. Why would you trade AVGO if we have valid setups of the stuff we normally trade?
So much for Apple. We can just blame Kevin because he's not
So
talking.
no, that's
That was
one
me.
less thing we gotta try to worry about.
That sucks. Yeah, but Benji's got a point. It's one less thing that I have to look at. So there's a pro and a con.
Got all the mains today, huh?
I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
I like AMD, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
I'm gonna have
Maybe
Meta
this is me.
off the open.
It's either Meta or no. Actually, it's literally just Meta for me.
Yeah, that is the closest besides that.
Nor being the guy that he is, he's probably gonna look at AMD. I feel like he's a guy who fixates on that stock when it's pumping.
Meta would probably be the 795 or the 800 calls, probably.
I have the 800s ready. I think the 795s are a little expensive, maybe.
Yeah, probably 800s for me.
I have both ready. I like AMD and I like Meta.
Probably have to be the 182.50s if you were looking at AMD.
I got the 180s at the moment. We'll see what happens.
Oh, you're trading. Okay.
What's up, Norsky? What we got?
Everything you guys got.
Norsky.
All right. Yeah, I'm not looking at AMD anymore.
What do we got off the open AMD? We're all agreeing on
Meta.
that.
Meta's
Meta?
like right here.
I said I was gonna look at Meta. Wow.
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 Holy.
That's all I needed. I'm out.
No cap.
No signal, but I told you guys where I was looking at. Oh my god.
That was so
Alright.
fast, bro. Holy shit.
Oh, AMD already broke out too, so I can't look at AMD.
AMD broke literally the second the market opened. You would not been able to catch that.
Alright, so I'm done with Meta for the day. I'm not touching the stock anymore.
We're done like that.
Bro, I refuse to touch Meta when it breaks a clean level.
How much did you make?
4,000.
Wow.
He's
George,
crap.
did you
Meta,
take
bro.
long?
Nah, I was watching AMD.
Yeah, AMD happened like instantly, right, George? Like there was no way.
What's Nvidia up to? Nothing, bro.
Jack.
Wow, Meta.
Tesla's on the move up here. It's still kind of
There's a
low,
30-minute wedge on Tesla. It breaks it around 344.
I'm personally gonna stay away from Tesla until we get back to like that 345, 346 level.
Yeah, to our level.
Yo, solo. Okay.
Let's go.
Alright, Tesla's getting a move here, which I'm cool with. Just not taking it yet.
What level are you looking at for it?
It could be as soon as 345.
That's what I was thinking too, but I'm not sure if that's a little early or not.
One sec. No.
Yo, Adnan, you cheated, bro. What?
Nor you see the 30-minute on Tesla? That makes 345 look better.
Yeah.
And the video's above 183.30 right now.
All right. Well, things are a little still developing. If something gets close, just someone shut up. Well, actually, yeah, Nvidia is getting close, huh?
Is it?
Yeah, it's getting there. I'm gonna pull that up in case that decides to get going because it is getting close. The issue is it's pushing with the market right now.
Alright.
Just got out of AMD there.
The Tesla
Right.
is too. Let's see what this. Yeah, so Tesla's stronger in my opinion. I might take this very soon here. Give me 1 sec.
I'm
Well,
personally looking at at Nvidia right now, Nor.
alright. Yo, we got one problem. That 345 is an actual level, not a psychological level. So usually you'd see me get all over this right here before the 345 break. I'm gonna have to wait for a break and hold above, which I could regret, but I'm gonna just do that and stick to my plans today rather than rush because it's been a perfect week. I'm on like a 5-day green streak here. Trying to make it 6, so. Alright, 345 broken and rejected. Let's see what happens here. Okay, so the answer is I'm going to regret it, and I'm regretting. Okay. All right.
I got out of Tesla there as well.
Wow. Huh?
You just got out?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm still in.
All right, guys.
Contract stopped moving, which sucks for me.
This is stupid. I can't believe I'm not in right
I
now.
like 347 anyway, so I don't mind this if this pulls back here. I know.
Oh,
Sorry,
it's chill.
Frank. I know this.
Yeah.
Sorry, I don't want to say that. So if it hopefully it still breaks for you, but if it does, I
Yeah.
still like 347.
I know what you mean, so there's no hard feelings. So.
No,
We got a small pullback. Nothing much there.
My issue is that the contract
I'm looking at
stopped
350
moving.
close. I'm in. At $4 a contract. I can't do anything but take it there. Sorry, guys. I should have been a lot earlier, but.
I sold right there too.
Yes, sir.
Wait, you guys can hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, you're good, dog.
All right. So my plan, since I had to take it that late rather than where I wanted to at 345, I went in with a half position. And what I'm going to do to this is if we consolidate and get a better looking, structure here, I'll add to this to make it a full position. What was that about? You said
The
what?
video is going for it.
Yeah.
What's your feel? What? I don't even know if I didn't even
The
see
video
it.
just had a clean rejection. I may still have time to switch to that.
All right, guys, my stop on Tesla is 345. Right now, what I would love for it to do is not go straight up into that new high. I would love a consolidation here above 346. Then I can add to this position. My fill on Tesla is $4. It looks like if we hit 345, worst case scenario, 350 a contract. So that's what I'm preparing for my loss here if we get there. All right, market's pulling back. We bounced right off 345.
So Nvidia does look strong, guys, but I think I'm gonna wait for a bigger pullback because the market's not giving me too much clear direction, along with Nvidia. If I miss out on Nvidia, then I miss out. But I think I'm gonna play it safe and just wait for an actual pullback on this. I think it's moving a little too volatile for a stock like this. So like ideally, what I would want to see here is the market potentially get the low of day because it is pretty close to low of day, while Nvidia holds above the 183.50 level. And
My
then if
alert's at
you,
90. Where's yours at right now?
I don't know yet. That's what I'm trying to figure out because I want this to set up a little bit better.
Yo, Nora, I think I'm gonna use the bottom of this candle as my stop.
I
Yeah,
might
that's-
either do 90 or 95, George. See, like those are healthy wicks in Nvidia, but then I look over at NQ and it's had 3 nasty wicks to the downside. So
If I do.
market bull flagging while Nvidia is having a green to red. So yeah, I think I'm gonna wait a little. Even if Nvidia comes up to my level, I think I'm gonna wait. When I played Nvidia, I needed to be super clear on what it's doing. As of now, it's not doing that for me. Am I going to retry Nvidia? I mean, I sent you guys the screenshot. I took an L on it, but I am willing to retry it. But like I said, I just need clear direction on this. As of now, it's not giving me that. So I will happily skip Nvidia if market's making all-time highs at the same time. What would be my entry? I think it'd be close to George's, around that 90-cent mark. The latest I would do would be 95. So it's either with George at 90 cents, or if you really want to play it safe and just do 95.
Nora, would you say Tesla's doing its own thing here?
Yes.
Or
Not the best of its own things, but it is holding the 345. I just sent a picture to the chat. It only sucks because, like, yeah, see? But it's going to keep playing in that area. It just had a quick move to the upside in the morning. sucks. George, where would you retry Tesla?
I have an alert right now at 346.60 for now, but it could be a little sooner depending on what it does. AMD's still going, bruh.
Yeah, I think it's ripping, bro. Nvidia's inching closer. Still unsure about it. So like right here, this actually looks good. Market's having a couple red candles, and Nvidia's actually holding up. So it's either doing its own thing or it's strong now.
Let me know if Tesla gets close. It's too.
It's getting close.
Yeah, so is Nvidia.
I'll whistle. Yeah, George, I would assume.
Tesla is getting close, George. 346.20 right now.
Yeah, I just swapped.
Okay. I'm still gonna be on Nvidia myself.
I think Tesla. I don't know if you can, but Tesla's looking crazy, Frankie.
It does. I just peeped over at it, bro.
Yeah, I think you should go there and take a look yourself.
Where are you at in North?
346.50. I'm gonna signal it. This is gonna be big if it happens correctly. Guys, 346.50. I'm adding. I added. It's my third ad. I'm gonna sell half on the break.
I missed
I'll let
it.
you guys know as soon as it breaks. This is gonna be a break to 347.50 at least. There we go. Hold up. It hasn't broke the new high, but if it breaks the new high, the target immediately is 347.50. Damn, the break checked it. I don't see any trends I should be worried about unless I'm not looking correctly here.
Market just had a red to green noise. So at
Alright.
least NQ did. I'm not sure about SPY.
You guys heard me?
Us or them? Nvidia pulled all the way back.
Switch over, Frankie.
I missed my entry on it. I'm not gonna mess with it now. I'm just gonna watch.
What,
As I was
Tesla?
switching.
There it
yeah.
goes. New high, guys. Straight up to 347.50 is the target. Only get a break from that. Just trust me. Guys, I need you to trust me on this trade here. This is going to be big. There it goes. 347.70, 347.80. I'm getting ready to sell half.
I sold 3/4 there.
Don't do it. Here we
Oh,
go. 348. There it goes, bro.
Wow.
Wait,
This is nice.
wait,
Yeah.
wait. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Give me a break here now. There it goes. Boom.
How
Sell.
does he do it, bro?
Sold
I
half.
don't know, bro. He's
Sold
fucking
half.
Wow.
Just
nasty
trust
with
me
it.
on this one. Just trust me on this one.
I got the last bid. I'm looking for
60,
350 on the.
69 needs to break, and we're going to 349. And then I'm gonna sell half of what I have left, and then I'm gonna leave the rest for 350.
What a signal, bro.
Only sell half.
So actually,
Hmm?
You heard? E? Just trust me.
Yo,
Might
Brock
be a little
smacked it. What the
yo,
hell?
Brock.
You made 20K on that.
Bro, you going back to back to back.
What'd you say?
Oh,
Yo, for the rest of
Brock.
it's free day. Yo, free day. I do not trust any of you guys. The signals right now, it's all you. Tesla's done. For me, I'm just doing my thing because I have some crazy cushion right now.
Marcus going for whoa, what a market divergence here.
Yeah,
Yeah,
he's a low day.
You're good.
NQ's at low a day here. ES is going for 6,500 Nor.
How much you made?
AMD at 185.
Hold on tight.
I'm not sure. I did peep it, but I was still hesitant about it. Admin.
Someone said, not gonna lie, this is a legendary month. The month just started, baby boy.
Yeah.
All right. For Tesla, since I've already gotten rid of the half, and I added pretty heavy on the trade, what I'm going to do here is set a stop loss at 345.35 here. I'm going to continue the higher it as the trade continues to go on. As the market's dropping here, all Tesla's telling me is to hold on here, so I have no red flags. For the rest of you who have no cushion, walk away from the trade, bro. You're up crazy. But if you're looking for another scalp, I'm sure most of you are out. Wait for 349.63. You can, that's where I would take it if I wasn't in. And I might not be in. I might just get all out on the push above 348 here. So if you're looking for another entry, 349.63. The only way you lower that is if you get a power candle through 348.50, then you can lower it to like 349.36. So I'll just keep you updated as the trade goes on here. We're currently trading above 347 here. I'm not selling this unless it hits my stop or hits my target. I'm sticking to my plan. You guys are gonna have to make adjustments whether you can afford taking that risk that it drops down to 345 and go from there.
Oh man, I just scalped AMD there.
I did
That
too.
Did
Yeah.
you? Oh,
Yeah.
that was so clean. I literally was a split second, bro.
I got 332 to 354, but I got in really, I won't say late, but I played it really safe and waited for 85 cents. I'm not
Me
sure what
too.
you
No,
got in
me
at.
too. And I
Okay.
sold as soon as it broke.
Yeah, I did. Yeah, I sold limits, so it was just filling my order as I was selling.
If you feel comfortable and you want to walk away, look, if you refresh right now, I know, but I don't want to hold you back right now, so it might be a little too biased. As I'm talking right now, I'm starting to realize I might be biased. The problem is the market is extremely ugly, but Tesla doesn't seem to care. So, all right, there we go. 348 on the ask here, 10 cents away.
Yo, George.
I'm thinking about it.
Yeah.
What you talking about?
What you talking about?
I was gonna ask you, what do you think of 349?
That's what I already answered.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, I
Oh,
said
okay.
I'm thinking about it. Like before you even asked, I knew that's what you were gonna ask. I am thinking about it.
I wouldn't hold till 350 though. I think I
might.
would just. I think I would just look for a touch of because 350 is an actual important level in Tesla, just overall.
No, it's not.
No.
No, it's at 351 something. So there's a little bit room past 350. Yeah, it's a big psychological level, but the actual level is above 350. That's why I'm kind of excited for that level 350 because that's a.
Oh, I see it. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, I just saw it on volume profile.
Part of me
Yeah.
is like, should I be done? But it looks like ES is the one dragging in Q here, and Q's finally starting to bounce near low of day. But ES is at 6,500. Let's see if this continues here above and we get some price acceptance.
Yeah, do you have half of what's left? Like,
Where would
where?
you try
What's the
this,
alert?
Frankie?
What's the
75,
alert?
80?
Yeah, I have my alert at 70 right now. I may move it to 75.
Nah, I like 70 to be honest.
Oh,
Look at
so
the
you only
market though. Market's going dumb
Oh,
for just no reason.
Whoa, that was a big push right there.
you don't know how many you have left? Oh, alright.
Hey, E, lock in, brother.
Alright, so then type out 3. And I want you to get rid of it here soon. Right here when we push, if we get a push here.
Yeah, I think I'm just gonna stay away from Nvidia today, guys.
I
I'm being
or-
honest.
Only reason I was worried about that is because that 1 minute trend, I was a little afraid of that.
Yeah, I can see that.
Oh,
I don't think it's the right day for Nvidia.
I'm
I
with
may
you.
be wrong, but
No, no, I'm with you.
it's
You
just
ready?
not the right day. Good
I'll
setup,
listen.
just not the right day.
You heard?
That's what causes traders to be biased too sometimes. You literally heard Nor talk about it on mic just a bit ago.
15 seconds. Yeah.
That's how I feel towards Nvidia.
Alright, here comes Tesla. See what it
Yeah.
does here.
You doing 350s again, George?
Yeah.
Alright.
Or
You? Oh
Yeah,
shit, I had the wrong
yeah,
ones. Now that you mention it, I had some
wait.
bullshit ass ones.
yeah,
with the close
350s.
candle.
He sized. I'm gonna size down for this one though.
No, I am too. Like the most I can lose is 600. So it's just gonna be a touch it play for me.
Touch it.
Or for traders who aren't familiar with our lingo, it's just gonna be a scalp.
It means as soon as it breaks, he's selling.
Yeah.
Because technically, everything we do is scalps.
1. Wait.
Consolidation here above.
Oh, bro, which one is this? You're gonna get it. I'm tripping.
75, 70 cents at the moment.
Already? 2, 1. Wait. Oh shit. You good? Alright, you're up. Alright, guys. Remember, I only sold half the position earlier. I signaled it. I have half written out of the rest here. I'm about to sell the half of what I have left. Half. So if you have 50 contracts left, for example, I'm selling 25. So I'm gonna sell half of what's left. You gotta just trust the process here. I want to be impatient about it because I'm up insane, but I'm gonna be patient. You gotta like talk to yourself sometimes to tell yourself to just chill the fuck out. That's why I talk out loud.
That's some real shit though.
Nah. And with these fucking positions that I take lately, it's like I gotta I'm my own therapist during these trades.
You gotta level yourself out, yeah.
Especially when you have a bias like this, I'm not a fan of this. I start getting uncomfortable. Not with the sizing, because I'm up crazy. Like the worst that could happen is, for example, let's say I'm up to 50K. That's not the number, but I'll be up 25K, which I'm still green and just sucks because I could have took 50, you know? That's the only negative about trying to catch these big plays. I got a few announcements, so nobody go anywhere in the chat.
And just to reemphasize this too, as before it gets close again, this is a very green trade. Like if you guys are still in from Nor's original signal, at this point it is completely on you to sell. Nor again is just doing his own thing because this is his own like trade that he planned out, right? He gave you guys the signal, gave you guys the very green signal. So if you're not following what Nor's doing at this point, you're just kind of just following him blindly. It's probably best just to sell and secure profits.
market pullback NQ. Dang. Just broke
Yeah.
low a day there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
I don't-
that's what makes these big trades just annoying because you got to worry about everything in between. I'm about to call it on Tesla and just get back in if I have to. So right now I'm just waiting here, and I'm just gonna sell all of it if we pull back a little bit more. I don't want to
346
see
looks like a
closes
good
under
spot there.
346.60. We're getting there.
Marcus bounce right at 582. Where's Wada? Oh, never mind.
I told you put the big.
You
boy
got
in.
anything around here on QQQ, Wada?
What did I say?
Yeah, I forgot Moses. I'll follow Wada. Forgot you.
Yo, what percentage is that? I'm like, oh, that'd be crazy.
Oh,
Yo, Zoe made $600. Ah.
Yo. That's from what? From 345 probably to now.
When did you get in with me? Yo, guys, finger on the sell button for Tesla for me. I'm just letting you. Just annotating what I'm doing. I don't see anybody in this with me right now, but I'm just letting you guys know what I'm doing.
hey John.
Yo, what up, my boy?
Look at Wada talking like his
Straight back.
Look what Maki talking about. Oh, the other Maki. Wait, is this Maki or
That's Dak,
No,
bro.
that's Dak.
Yeah.
that's Dak? I'm tripping.
Guys, finger on the sell button. I don't trust this bounce on Tesla. I feel like this is about to have a red candle, but we'll see. I'm gonna set an alert. Huh? Just give me 1 sec. It's not an alert. What? Were you green? Oh, you made 150 on Tesla. Yo. Guys, I'm all out of Tesla. I'm done. It's fine. It's all good. It's all good. Yo, guys, let me get the W's in the chat till we break Discord. Break Discord. W's in the chat till we break Discord. I got like one more big play here, and then call it a day. Yo, W's in the chat till we break the chat. We're not breaking the chat. Where is this? This is too slow. Come on.
Yo, we broke my chat though. What the hell?
W's.
Norski.
Break the chat. Break the chat.
The chat going really slow. What's up with
Yeah,
that?
that's what I'm saying. I think they broke mine, bro.
Keep going. Keep going. Break it. All right. Announcements. First of all, we have a whale. We have the whales commands. So now you can use whale. You can see unusual flow. You can see charts. I also just added. Well, for the whale stuff, it's really good because a lot of you want to see, like, for example, like the heat map, for example, you know, what flow is coming into NVIDIA, charts, all that good stuff. So I added another alert that gives you alerts. So for example, if I set an alert at like, if I say, yo guys, I have an alert set at 3:48:30, I mean, I know you're supposed to have it on the chart, but I added a bot that'll allow you to give you alerts. So as soon as it hits it, it'll give it to you right in the Discord. So that kind of benefits some people. I don't know how many people are going to use it, but it's cool. The other thing that I wanted to talk about is the top affiliate of August will be flown out to me. You get to spend 1 week with me for free, all paid for. And you get to trade side by side with me. So that's a big thing. Also, if you're on YouTube, Twitch, I forgot I'm still streaming Twitch, YouTube, Twitter, whatever you're on, the chat's free. So you guys can just click the link and join. You'll be part of it. The chat's free today on Wednesdays. We also have a lesson tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern time. There was one more thing I wanted to talk about. Oh. Yeah, you guys still here in the chat?
Is it maybe Mumu?
Yeah,
Tesla?
yeah, it is.
Okay.
I'm happy I sold Tesla. What's that? Oh yeah.
Regardless, that was a beautiful trade. I mean, even though it sucks you had to sell there, it was a great
Yeah.
trade.
No, that was a great trade. Meta's the only thing that's been kind of bouncing here. But
What you mean by
there's really
that?
nothing else there for us to take. So I might just be done here. Unless
I
Nord
think,
got some.
yeah, I would say I'm done. For sure.
You don't got nothing else, huh, Nor?
Give me 1 sec. I'm doing like mad things. Also, if you do not have Mumu, Mumu's giving up to $1,000 in the video stock when you sign up and deposit. So please take advantage of that. You also get to go to the Mets games for free. You get free tickets for that, so take advantage. I might do a giveaway. Whoever, I'll pick 2 winners to get a free month. All you have to do is sign up to Mumu and deposit, and send a screenshot to Stock Hours Instagram. So I'll send you here. This is my link. I put the hashtag. Just click on that and click on my link.
I mean, honestly, too, guys, it's literally just free stock of NVIDIA. I mean,
What'd you say?
I said it's literally just free stock of NVIDIA.
Yeah, you get free stocks in the video, and it's the best broker. It's never been down for me. While you could ask the students in the chat. Thinkorswim's been down, Interactive's been down, and Mumu stayed up. So it's perfect. What else is there? Yeah, and then if you send a screenshot to Stock Hours, I'll pick 2 random winners to get a free month in the Discord. And you get up to $1,000 in NVIDIA stock. So they'll give you some, I'll give you something. And go from there. And you should always have a backup broker. Someone said this group was the only one I made money with. That's not surprising, brother. People just learn a little late. If you don't know, yo, Brock, put profits in the profit chat. Yo, if you need help with how to use the whales thing, just put /, which is this, and then put help, all connected together. So that's all you have to do, and it'll tell you all the commands you can. Yo, Tesla, beautiful cell. All right. There is one more trade I'll take. AMD. Yeah, I saw HUD while I was in that Tesla trade. iMessage. Profits in the profit chat. Let me take a look at the profits for the day from the chat. Holy. Nice, 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 nice. Tell your grandma, your aunt, your uncle, your grandpa to join stock hours, especially on Wednesdays, because that's wild. Yo, guys, I'm looking at AMD. Yo, E, you got buying power? Yo, guys, I'm looking at the 185 on AMD. I'm in. My fill's 345. This isn't a Tesla play where I'm looking for a $2 move. I'm looking for a pop through 50 cents. Whoa.
Sheesh.
360 a contract.
I just got out.
Nice. Beautiful. All right, guys, I'm going to sell half above the new high, which is 4 cents. So I'll let you guys know when I do so.
Take the 185 calls on AMD. There, E.
What did you say?
No, somebody said what was the call, and I said
Oh,
that
the
you signaled the
185.
185s. And first target was 50 cents anyways already, so first target already hit.
Yeah. I didn't get
And
to sell personally.
I
You
personally
sold
sold
what?
everything on that.
Oh, nice. I'm getting ready to sell half. I'll let you know as soon as I sell it. I told you guys my fill, right?
340, right?
345.
345.
If I'm not mistaken, I gotta go ahead and look again. But yeah, I think it was 345. It's 350 right now. I'll let you guys know when I sell that half. This is an important area for AMD, so it makes it a little bit more tricky. $185.50. But if it holds $185.50 today, and let's say it doesn't make a new high, tomorrow's a crazy day on AMD. You think today is crazy, tomorrow's gonna be wild.
Man, Meta's been doing these plays consistently. It pops, and then it just loses everything after the pop.
The chat holds me back on those plays. I can't really do anything. Guys, new high on AMD is coming in. Oh, new high. 365 a contract. I haven't sold half yet. Waiting for 185.70. That would be a nice. That's going to be a nice percentage. 185.70. We're 5 cents, 7 cents away on the ad. 2 cents. Finger on the trigger. 70 just hit. I'm just waiting for the bid to get to 70. This is a very, very nice area on AMD to hold tonight if it can. Not for us, but like just saying for like the setup tomorrow, that would be sick. All right, market's falling again. This is where I start getting annoyed with my day. I'm about to call it a day right after this trade, guys. I'm all done after AMD. There's nothing else that I would like to trade, so don't ask me. Trading is not about catching 10 plays in a day. It's actually it's a one and done type of thing. It's not a 9 to 5 either. Look at this, 65, 60, 78, 81, sold half. Shit! Oh my days. Sold half on AMD at that high. Sexy. Beautiful. If you don't know what
Yes,
affiliate
yes,
is, you
you
gotta
said.
get up pricey. Yeah.
For WAP. Well, I mean, WAP and Discord are the same thing, but yeah.
far stronger than the market. I could care less. I'm up very nicely for the day. So I'm about to get out of AMD. Remember, I sold half at the very high at 185.8. Getting ready to sell here. Market's crashing.
And today was not Nvidia's day.
It wasn't?
Nah, that shit's below 182.
Frankie, someone said, is that your cat? Yo, his brother comes today. I gotta go pick him up.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, 20K on cats, bro.
You gotta make sure you take him to the vet. Get blood
Hell
tested
yeah,
done.
I'm taking him Friday, and then
Yeah.
if anything comes back. Yeah, honestly, I was thinking about just taking that guy to the vet with me. But he was scared of me, so he didn't pull up. He sent his employee. Scaredy cat. Dak, shut the fuck up, bro. You want to show up randomly, huh? Shake that shit, AMD. Come on. Oh, wow. AMD. You see this shit? George, Frankie?
I'm just watching it, yeah.
470. 475. My fell was like 205. I just caught a sick play on this though. They just hit like 550. I sold at the high. I got another half left. Can you make up for my potential losses?
Yo. Is that my cat? No, I'm not rich enough to have that kind of cat yet.
Nah, that's how much the rest of the position's worth.
The cats I have are like 20 bucks.
400. You don't look at your fees on them? No. It's just not the way. Yeah. Start thinking about what you could do with money value in trade. No. It's just I forced it. Here comes a new high on AMD, guys. I'm gonna sell at 186. Market's at low of day on QQQ. AMD's about to hit top of day here. I'm gonna set a limit fill. So I'll let you guys know what the limit fill is when I actually type it out. I mean, if you don't know what that is and you don't know how to do that, please just stick to market. So.
What happened to my Apple Play? I mean, it just opened up above the level of where I was looking to try it. So there's not much I can do with it.
Here we go, guys. 20 cents, 15 cents. I'll let you guys know what the limit sell is going to be as soon as I click it. It's going to move crazy. All right, new high, 10 cents away. Guys, finger on the trigger. All right, I'm setting my fill at 90. 390 is my sell fill, guys. Set that sell 390. I'll tell you when it fills mine so that you know that you should look at yours. We're at 380 a contract. I'm waiting for 390. It'll automatically sell for me, so. Here we go. Market's dropping hard. Yeah, this is good. Here it goes, 385. I'll tell you when it sells mine.
I hope Maki's shaking it right now.
Guys, limit fills 390 on AMD for the rest here. I'll let you know once it. 390 on the ask. It hasn't filled me yet. Anybody get filled there? All right, you guys got filled. All right, cool. I think because I have too many contracts. I'll let you guys know once it fills though. It's only 12. Yeah, there it goes. 390. I'll let you know once it fills. Can't say sold unless it fills, even though it hit 390. So that's the rules. Am I gonna be rejected here or? Again, the ask on the contracts is 390. Here we go. I'll tell you once it fills. Filled. All right, I'm all out. I think they're about to hit $4 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. Oh wow, 405. Fuck me. All right, the next high here is 186.60. I don't play highs, because that's just playing highs and lows, not actually trading. But it does look nice there. How much are these? $2. Yo, Frankie, you trading this at all?
No, I've just been watching.
All right. You guys
Did you
like that
see-
trade on AMD? That's a nice one too.
Did you see what I sent in the chat?
Straight-
Discord, not iMessage.
Oh yeah. No, they were tight. Oh shit. How much are these? Oh my god.
Would you say you helped with the hard part, or is this is literally just buying prep, like just buying volume?
Nah,
currently?
I helped. So basically, this is just the continuation. You won't know the target on these trades. The only thing you can do is continue to scale out as it continues to move higher. But I made too much from Tesla today, to let it rock.
Got you. Okay.
You know. But the chat, and it's free day. I get nervous.
Yeah, I don't blame you.
Oh. All right, guys, I'm done for the day. Enjoy your fucking day. Crushed it. Stock hours. There's no better place. It's not even close, and there is no competition. So, as long as we continue the no competition thing, which will be for the next, I would say, 47 years of stock hours life, then we're in good hands. Yo, this month is nuts, right? We're getting crazy here.
Oh, easily. Yeah.
Yeah.
What's comparing to that June one? I think June was better than July, but some people say different.
I know for sure I'm above 200. I gotta check. June I made 430. Peak in June was 540,000. You guys want to do a quick Q&A? We'll do 5 minutes of Q&A. Yo, I want to take the. Oh, it's too late. Put your profits in the profits chat. The chat's about to have so many advancements here. Obviously, we have the whale for you guys. But I have a lot of other shit. Let's see, Andy. I got a lot of shit added to the chat here soon. You'll see in the next, couple days or so. You guys can see the flow that I just did in the stocks. How often do you check ATR? Pretty often. Do you guys see what I just did in the stock chat, or I can only see that? a typical stop loss? Yo, Frankie, help me out.
What's going on?
We're doing a Q&A. Someone said, what's a typical stop loss?
For this overall style that we take, so like scalping in this chat, a good stop loss is typically 10%. Just a flat out 10%.
Beautiful trades today. Alright, I'm happy to walk away. Yo, how did let me turn on the camera? We boosted the thing or something?
That's my assumption.